Hello, Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, students. Today you are going to learn about how to create a simple smiley using MS Paint. And then I'll be telling you about how to create a number of smileys using the select copy paste option. So you need to simply go for Start menu, click on Start, select Paint. Go to the shape tool and select the oval, select oval, and then we are going to draw the eyes for the smiley, and then we are going to take the curve tool and draw the smile. I'm now going to fill in color using fill with color tool, and I'm going to color the smiley yellow. I'm going to color the background pink, or if I want to change it, I can just go for undo. And now, how to create a number of smileys? Just go for the select tool, select the smiley, go for copy, and go for paste. This is the way you're going to get a number of smileys. So this way you're going to create a number of smileys. Easy and simple way. Using the text tool, we are going to go to the insert text into the picture and you can write using the text tool. So today you learned how to draw a simple smiley using MS Paint, and you also learned to draw a number of smileys using select, copy, and paste. So this is what you have learned today. So now I can color the background. Let me take a light color. I'm going to take pink, or you can even take blue, and color the background. Now you can write your name and grade using the text tool. Write your name and grade using the text tool. You can change the font as you wish to by selecting the font from the font family. I have selected Arial because it is easy to read and clear. And here I have taken the font 22, I have taken bold and italic. It is up to you how you want the document to be. So this is the way you create a simple smiley and how you draw a number of smileys from a single smiley using the select copy paste option. And now how to save your work? Just go for File, Save As. Create a folder on the desktop. New folder, MS Paint Tutorials. Open the folder which you have created and write the file name and save it. So this is the way your document is going to be.